Okay, so git enable commit signing. So here's the thing. Git is cryptographically secure. That means that the information you transfer between your computer and the server, like GitHub for example, is secure, and you can be assured that that information will not be tampered with. Now, that's a good thing, obviously, but it's not a guarantee. It's not a guarantee that your code will not be tampered with. So, if you're working with a team, um, or yeah, well, yeah, I guess it's more likely if you're working with a team. So, say that you're working with a team that's pushing code to a remote repository, and it wouldn't be too hard for a colleague of yours to pull the code from the server, make some changes to the code. Let's assume that he's going to write a line of code that creates a backdoor, for example. And then it wouldn't be too hard for him to push the code to the server with your name and your email. It just needs your password for that, right? So there's another feature which is signing. So you can actually sign your commits with GPG, and this is essentially, this makes sure that whoever pushed code to the server, well, okay, let me put it this way. This makes sure that if code is pushed to the server, it's coming from your computer, because only your computer has a private key, right? So if you know about GPG signing, you know that there's a private key, then there's a public key, and you can use those keys to make sure to verify the identity of someone. In this case, what we're actually verifying is that the code was pushed from this computer, from your computer, and not from someone else's computer, because the private key only exists here. So this is commit signing, and it's, you know, if you're working on very important projects, it's a good thing to have. I do not have GPG configured, so I'm going to leave this one as false, but now you know.